Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Wi-Fi connected but the internet not working problem on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. In the Control Center, just open the Connection section, then tap on Airplane Mode. Now, after you enable Airplane Mode on your iPhone, then wait for a few seconds, then tap on it one more time and turn it off. After that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then tap on General, and in General you will find the option of VPN and Device Management. Just tap on it, and in this section you will find any VPN which is connected to your iPhone. Just disable them from here. After that, just go back, and in the main settings page, just tap on Wi-Fi. Now just tap on the eye icon in front of the connected Wi-Fi network. And on this page, you will find the option of Configure DNS. Just tap on it. Now, if it is on manual, just select Automatic and tap on Save. After that, just go back to the main settings page. Then go to General. And in General, you will find the option of Date and Time. Just tap on it. And from here, just check if the date and time on your iPhone are correct. Most of the time, an incorrect date and time will cause the Wi-Fi connected but the internet not working issue on the iPhone. Just tap on the date from here and select the correct date from here. After that, just tap on time and set the time manually. Or you can enable Set Automatically. And by enabling this toggle, your iPhone will automatically set the date and time according to your region. After that, just go back, and in General, you will find the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on Reset. And from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset Network Settings. Now, by doing this, you will reset all the network settings on your iPhone, and this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. After you have done that, then go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Privacy and Security, then tap on Location Services. And from here, just disable Location Services and select Turn Off. Now just wait for a few seconds, then enable Location Services back on. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix Wi-Fi connected but the internet not working problem on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.